Hi, Shirley from Shirley Patterns here today, and we are going to show you how to knit this super basket weave design. So nice, I like it, I really do. And of course the ribbon down the bottom. We have a video which I hope I will remember to link down below as well, because I like that as well. There's two we've got at the moment, or is there three ribbon videos, and I tried to put them on all the designs and swatches that we're doing so that you get to see them, because I think they're really nice. A lot different to the knit one, purl one we always did, or I always did anyway. Didn't know there was alternatives out there. Anyway, this is multiples of 8 plus 7 plus 2 edge stitches. It's a 12 row repeat, so it will be sort of 6 where am I, 6 and 6. But I love it. I say that about all the swatches I do, don't I? Anyway, I do like this one, and keep saying I'm going to put them on blankets. I just don't have time when I'm doing all these videos. So anyway, let's get started, and we're going to do it in the pale green, and I've done a few rows of that ribbon there. So I was going to say I've got one needle and I couldn't find the other one. I've just found it, which is good. Right, well, you do need 2 needles. Okay, so row 1. Oh, get this around my fingers. Nope, missed that again. There we go. So row 1 is knit first stitch through the back of the loop, and it's purl 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knit 1. So that's your repeat. That's your first stitch, your edge stitch. Purl 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, knit 1, and you repeat that to your last 8 stitches. So we're going to do it again. Purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knit 1 to your last 8 stitches. 8, yep. And it is purl 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slip your edge stitch. There we go. That's row 1. Okay. Row 2 is knit through the back of the first stitch. Then it's knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, purl 1. Okay, so edge stitch, then it's knit 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, purl 1. I'm going to repeat that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, purl 1. That's to your last 8 stitches, and it is knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yarn to the front, slip your edge stitch. Row 3. This is row 3, and you knit into the back of your first stitch, and then you purl 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knit 1. So that's your repeat, that's your edge stitch, and it's 2, 4, 6, purl 7, knit 1. We'll do that again, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knit 1. To your last 8 stitches, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, excuse me, 7, slip your last stitch. Okay, so we are definitely on row 4 this time, which is knit into the back of the first stitch, and it's knit 7 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, purl 1. Okay, so that's your edge stitch, then it's knit 7, 2, 4, 6, 7, purl 1. Going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, purl 1 to your last 8 stitches, and it's knit 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, slip your last stitch. Okay, this is row 5, and it's knit 1, that's your edge stitch, and then you start with a yarn over, knit 2, and then it's slip 1, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1. Right. Edge stitch, yarn over, knit 2, slip 1, knit 2 together, pass slip stitch over, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1. That's your repeat. Okay, so we'll do that again. Yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, slip 1, knit 2 together, pass slip stitch over, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, and you repeat that to your last 8 stitches. There we go. And last 8 stitches are knit 2. I forgot the yarn over, didn't I? Oh yes, you did. Okay, so last 8 stitches are, apologies, yarn over, knit 2, slip 1, knit 2 together, pass slip stitch over, knit 2, yarn over, but we'll just yarn over, knit your last stitch, knit your edge stitch. There we go. So that was row 5. Row 6 is knit your first stitch and then purl to end. Lost that stitch there. Purl to end. I'm going to knit this last stitch. There we go. Right, so that was row 6. That was row 6. Just going to check my stitches, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 7 and 2. That's good. Right, so row 7 is knit your first stitch through the back, then it's purl 3, 1, 2, 3. Now your repeat starts here and it's knit 1, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's your edge stitch, purl 3. So your repeat was knit 1, purl 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. So knit 1, purl 7. You do that to your last 5 stitches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last 5 stitches, yes. And it is knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and your last stitch is a slip stitch. That's row 7. Row 8 is knit your first stitch through the back loop, then it's knit 3, 1, 2, 3. Then you've got a repeat of purl 1, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, row 8. So edge stitch, knit 3, and then your repeat is purl 1, knit 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. And you do that to your last 5 stitches. So it's purl 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last 5 stitches. There we go. And it is purl 1, knit 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn to the front, slip 1. There we go. Ooh, get some yarn. Now this is row 9. Knit into the back of your first stitch, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, and your repeat starts here, and it's knit 1, purl 7, knit 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, let's see. Edge stitch, purl 3, and then your repeat is knit 1, purl 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. Let's do that again. Knit 1, purl 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's to the last 5 stitches, and it's knit 1, purl 3, 1, 2, 3, slip 1 for your last stitch. Now this is row 10, and it's knit into the back of your first stitch. It's knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and the repeat is purl 1, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, let's see. Edge stitch, knit 3. Then your repeat is purl 1, knit 7, 2, 4, 6, 7. So we're going to do that again. Purl 1, knit 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You do that to your last 5 stitches, and it's purl 1, knit 3, 1, whoops, go over there, whoops, 2, no, don't, 3, yarn forward, slip 1. Okay, so this is row 11, which starts off with the edge stitch, knit through the back, and then it's knit 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you repeat this next bit. Yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, and then slip 1, knit 2 together, pass the slip stitch over, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1. Right, let's see. Edge stitch, knit 4, 2, 4. Then you repeat is yarn over, knit 2, slip 1, knit 2 together, pass slip stitch over, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1, and you repeat that to the last 4 stitches. Okay, so it's yarn over, knit 2, 1, 2, slip 1, knit 2 together, pass slip stitch over, knit 2, yarn over, knit 1. There we go. So 4 stitches left, and you knit those. 1, 2, you knit 3 of them, and then yarn forward, slip that stitch. Now row 12 is a purl row, so you knit into the back of your first stitch, and then you purl to the last stitch. These 2 rows with the slip 1, knit 2 together on them, that's what makes the basket weave like bunch out, and it makes it stand out so it's not flat. And your last stitch is a slip stitch to get that nice edging there. Now look at that, isn't that good? And that 2 rows that decrease the row, that row's there on the wrong side. You don't really notice them, and it just makes this stand out. Isn't that nice? That is really good. I like it. And again, I like all of them. I wouldn't do one that I didn't like, I don't think. I just wouldn't do it, I don't think. I wouldn't enjoy, pardon me, I wouldn't enjoy doing it. There we go. That's better. Now, that's really nice. So if you enjoyed the video, like, share, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next knitting video. Happy knitting!